friends, welcome again in my channel Learn with Anu. I am back with another interesting, useful and relevant video in this COVID-19 era on the chemistry of hand sanitizer and how it kills the coronavirus. So let's begin with the definition of hand sanitizer. For proceeding with the definition of hand sanitizer, let's learn the synopsis of this video. In this synopsis, we will discuss what is hand sanitizer, what are the ingredients of hand sanitizer, how it kills the coronavirus, structure of coronavirus, and finally the conclusion. Now learn the concept of hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer is a liquid, gel or foam generally used to decrease infectious agents on the hands. In most healthcare settings, alcohol-based hand sanitizers are preferably to hand washing with soap and water because it may be better tolerated and is more effective at reducing bacteria. Hand sanitizer seems to be one effective tool against the new coronavirus. When we cannot wash our hands, the CDC suggests using a hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol. Now learn the ingredients of hand sanitizer. The key ingredient in most hand sanitizers is alcohol. Chemically speaking, alcohols are organic molecules made of carbon, oxygen and hydrogen. Ethyl alcohol, also called ethanol, iso-propyl alcohol or isopropanol, and benzalkonium chloride as the active ingredient. Simply understand the ingredients of hand sanitizer. It contains at least 60% alcohol. It can vary from 60% to 95% alcohol. Isopropyl or ethyl alcohol mixed with water and gels like glycol and glycerin in order to prevent drying out user's skin. Now we will learn the structure of coronavirus. After this, we will learn how hand sanitizer kills the coronavirus. So let's begin with the structure of the coronavirus. Like other viruses, the novel coronavirus has a lipid envelope. Coronavirus's particles are spherical and have proteins called spikes protruding from their surface. These spikes latch onto human cells, then undergo a structural change that allows the viral membrane to fuse with the cell membrane. The viral genes can then enter the host cell to be copied, producing more viruses. Coronaviruses are enveloped viruses, meaning they basically have an outer wrapping covering the actual virus. According to the Environmental Protection Agency (EPA), enveloped viruses are some of the easiest to kill. Alcohol-based hand sanitizer disrupts the virus envelope, which is a membrane covering the virus particle. When this membrane is disrupted, it inactivates the virus. Now we will learn how the hand sanitizer kills the novel coronaviruses. Now from this video, we have learned that the novel coronavirus has a lipid envelope because soap has a detergent property which destroys the lipid envelope of the coronavirus. So the same is true for alcohol. We see even when the virus comes out through droplets, when an infected person coughs, it is still within a cell. Even if it is not, it can stay alive in surfaces for some time. It replicates only when within the cell. That is how soap or alcohol attacks the virus. All of these viruses held together by a fatty layer called an envelope. That is the layer that is disrupted when it comes into contact with soap or a hand sanitizer with more than 60% alcohol. Doctors explain disruption of the envelope causes the virus to come undone and finally kills it. That is why experts and public health institutes across the world agree that hand washing for at least 20 seconds is most fail-safe prevention of COVID-19. And now the conclusion. CDC recommends hand sanitizers with at least 60% alcohol in them for maximum effectiveness. It works faster as the concentration increases, but the effectiveness of alcohol seems to top out at about a 90 to 95% concentration. And another strength of alcohol is that bacteria it kills do not develop a resistance to it. So alcohol does not lose effectiveness with continued use. Always note that hand sanitizers provide a convenient and effective way to clean our hands if soap and water are not available and our hands are not covered in visible dirt or grease. Hello friends, this is all about the chemistry of hand sanitizer. For any queries and suggestion, please comment in the comment section, like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.